Dear students, on previous day I have discussed about the adaptation for habitat. Today my discussion topic is adaptation for food. So let's discuss about it. According to adaptation for food, animals are classified into herbivores, carnivores, omnivores, scavengers and parasites. So who are herbivores? The plant or grass eaters are called herbivores. They have strong and broad teeth. They travel long distance for food. Example, cow. Next, carnivores. Flesh-eating animals are called carnivores. They have pointed, sharp and curved canines to tear the flesh. Example, tiger, lion, etc. Next, omnivores. The animals eat both plants and animals are called omnivores. Example, bears, man. Next, scavengers. Animals that feed on remains of dead animals. I repeat, the animals that feed on remains of dead animals. Example, jackals, vultures, etc. Parasites, organisms that live on or inside the body of other living organism and depend on them for food are called parasites. The animals on which the parasites depends for nutrition or food is called host. Example, roundworm is a parasite and it lives on human body. So here roundworm is the parasite and human is the host. That's all for the day. I am giving you some classwork. You have to complete it on your classwork copy. Okay.